Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So I just came out fishing out here today, but I wanted to give you some update regarding the cameras. I have some changes here and I have some good news for you guys. I'm gonna start off with the first one. I bought for you guys the Osmo Mobile 3. So this is the gimbal. You see what I'm talking about here. So what this will do, okay, so I'm filming now with my camera to show you as I go around the river and give you a tour. The footage will get very smooth, so I'm gonna be able to give you a nice tour and presentation of each river, or even I can fish with it, and if I place it on a tripod. So the Osmo gimbal comes in very handy. So this is something that I purchased on the channel. So let's put here. Now the big news and the most important news is that I snatched the latest GoPro. So if you look over here, I'm going to be able to clip it. But I just want to show you here what do you get with the bundle. So with the GoPro bundle, they included this mount here, you see. Now I do have few accessories from my old GoPro. See, like there's a clippy. So when I fish, they do have the cable. There's two batteries. So there's one here, and there's a one inside. So one in the unit, and there's a manuals here, as well as the 32 gigabyte memory card. So that's the memory card right there. And then as I flip it over, you do get this nice pouch, again with a very nice the tripod thingy over here. So this is the new on the channel, the gimbal, as well as my nice top of the line GoPro, which records the 4K and all the. It's got a nice image stabilization. So keep that in mind. Hopefully you found this interesting, and this is just update news. And there you go.